So see here in the question number 1a, you can see clearly f bar is del operating on x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Find divergence and curl of f. You know how to find divergence curl. Before that, f is not looking like a vector. So this is a solved problem. Can anybody tell me how can I write it in terms of a vector then? So del operating on any scalar is of the form del phi, no? What is del phi definition? See, solved example. Dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Yes. So if you apply that and if you substitute for this phi as this bracket quantity, the whole thing, you are going to get the vector. Can anybody remember what is the vector you get for this example? It is actually 3x square minus 3yzi. Similarly, you will get the j and k terms. Okay, there is a symmetry in the function so that you are going to get some continuous terms like 3y square minus 3xzj plus 3z square minus 3xyk. Then you have to find divergence and curl. So this problem is solved. So better, I will not go for it. I'll take another example where it is divergence curl which is not solved. That is far better. Okay. Now just to see, I'll take one more question paper. I'm going, okay, like a syllabus wise. So here you can see one question number 1b. Isn't it? It is again same. Let's see how important it is. Is it same? Only changes. There it is capital F, it is small f. Tell me, is this question number 1b same as previous question paper 1a, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Yes, we will not again solve it because already discussed. Now I'll take another one. Yes. Just see. Now here question number 1b, you can see if f bar is del operating on x, y cube, z square, find divergence of f and curl of f at 1 minus 1, 1. We have solved a similar one, not exact one. So I want you people to just start with this example and tell me the answers. Is clear? Is it clear? Shall we go for this? So that one idea you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
about question paper. Question number 1b, you just write down. I dictate. If f bar is equal to del bracket xy cube into z square, find divergence of f and curl of f at 1 minus 1, 1. Okay, I'll give you some time. Start solving it. Just see, can you see that blackboard in front of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You start solving, then meanwhile, I'll just write some of the things which may be useful. So for that, even I want your help. You need to recall some of the things. Okay. Now we are solving a problem related to divergence and curl. Before that, you have now your F given us. Yeah, you can start solving it. No problem. If you don't want a explanation, no worries. Those who have not prepared or have some confusion can concentrate. Okay. Yes. So this is in the form del phi, gradient of phi. We are aware dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Yeah. This is my phi. This entire thing is phi. With respect to x, what is the derivative?
Y cube z
Y
square.
cube z square. Okay, into y. With respect to y means it is 3x
3x
y square.
y square z. Y square z square.
Yes. And with respect to z.
2x y cube z.
Yes. So this is what is your f. Now it is 100% looking like a vector quantity. Let us apply divergence on that. What the definition says, if it is divergence, del dot f If the field vector is F, you should take del dot F. What is del? Dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. Anybody completed the first part of the question? Divergence at the point? Okay, F is this. Anybody with the answer? Okay, now here derivative of this quantity with respect to x is what?
0, ma'am.
0, no x at all. Okay, with respect to y, second one.
6xy.
6xyz square.
Yes. Okay, j dot j is 1. With respect to k, what is this?
2xy cube.
Okay. Yes, this is divergence, no doubt. They have not asked only divergence. What they have asked? Divergence at some point, no?
Curve left.
Yeah. No, curl F is there, but divergence, not only divergence. Read the question complete. Which point they have asked?
1 minus 1, 1.
Yes, very good. So x should be taken as 1, y should be taken as minus 1, z should be taken as plus 1. Yeah, what will you get? 6 into 1 into minus 1 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 into minus 1 cube. Solve and tell me the answer.
Minus
4.
Minus 1 plus 1, what?
4 man.
4. Huh?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yeah, the answer is minus 4. Yes.
It's
Minus 8.
8.
Ma'am, minus 8, ma'am.
minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus
Minus 8.
minus. Now just check for curl for the same problem. Curl F. I want you people to try with this. Curl means curl, cross product, del cross F. Yeah, next third row is for IJK coefficients of F. Just expand it, simplify and tell me the answer. Huh? Very interesting answer you will get.
It's 0, ma'am.
It is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you should write one step in between, huh? Yeah. Hopefully all are getting 0. One more thing you can just write because they have even asked curl at the point. So curl is overall 0 means at whatever point you find. Isn't it again a 0 vector only? Yes. Done. Okay. So hope you recall now curl and divergence. Even we have recalled here gradient if you just see. Isn't it? We have applied the definition of gradient also. Okay. Remember now. Yes. Let me just, shall I take the next example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, done. Take it. Now let us take an example for maybe irrotational or you can say, okay, or shall I take angle between the surfaces? Shall I take angle between surfaces? In order we'll complete it. Because question number 1A usually they have asked angle. Yeah. Is this example solved? Check. I think not exactly the same example. We have solved some other example, right? So I want you to write down this question, which is this question number 1A. Right, all of you. find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square minus z square equal to 4 and z equal to x square plus y square minus 13 at 2, 1, 2. At 2, 1, 2. Okay. Shall we solve it? Return the question? Yeah. You remember the concept of angle between the surfaces? Angle between the surfaces. No? What is the result? What we calculated? Huh? If theta is the angle
Is
between the
equal to-
surfaces, cos theta is
Del phi 1
huh,
into or del phi 2
upon
divided by
Magnitude
modulus
of del phi 1 and
magnitude
del
of-
phi.
yes, magnitude of del phi 1 into magnitude of del phi 2. It is just like A dot B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B only. Only our A and B are the vectors del phi 1, del phi 2. So what is to be found here? Del phi 1, del phi 2. Correct? Yeah, start solving. What is phi 1 we have to take? See, from the first surface, you have to take the terms containing only x, y, z. What they are? What is the first surface given? Correct? X square plus y square minus z square. Yeah, I'll give you little work. You people can take second surfaces x square plus y square minus z, I think. You can leave those constants, 13 and one more constant. It's of no use. Yeah, you know how to get del phi 1. Apply the definition dou phi 1 by dou xi, dou phi 1 by dou yj and all that. Apply and tell me what you will get del phi 1. So derivative of this phi 1 with respect to x is 2x. Correct?
2x.
2
With
plus
respect to
2y
y,
minus 2z.
yeah, I will come because it's a vector quantity. 2yj minus 2zk. Am I correct? So this should be found at which point? What is the point here given? 2, 1, 2, no? Yes, let us find that. 2, 1, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This is my del phi 1. Similarly, find del phi 2. Anybody has got it? The answer? Huh?
4, 4, 2,
Huh.
4i,
4i plus
2j,
2j.
2 minus 2k.
How 2k, madam?
Minus only k.
Only minus k. Do it carefully. Okay. Therefore, cos theta will be del phi 1. Okay. 4i plus 2j. Okay, else what I'll do, I'll just substitute the dot product directly. You know the substitution, how to do it and all. See, all important steps should be written. Yeah, just I want to cover more examples. So I'm just writing some important steps. So how to take the dot product of this and this vector. 4 4s are 16. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 into minus 1. Yeah, what is del phi 1? Just calculate. Take in calculator. 16 plus 4 plus 16. How much?
24,
24. Huh? Magnitude. I'm not asking this addition. I'm asking you magnitude of del phi 1. This quantity. Square root of 4 square plus 2 square plus minus 4 square.
6.
6. Are you getting root 36? Okay.
yes,
Yeah. Then into what is del phi 2 magnitude of this del phi 2 magnitude?
Root
4
21.
square plus 2
Root
square
20.
plus
Root
1.
21.
Root 21, na? Correct? Yeah. What is the answer? This is
4 by root
24 divided by 6 root 21. What can we cancel?
4 by root 20.
Okay. 4 by root 21. Or else, better you write the answer like this, theta, because cos theta is not the angle, theta is the angle. So what is your final answer? Cos inverse of 4 by root 21. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, shall I take the next? Is it done for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Take the next. Okay, this is done. Now I'll go for the next. Yeah, here they have not asked the angle between. And one more thing, no, I've observed that in first question they have asked vector differentiation. Second question they have asked vector integration. Usually they don't do it. Don't know. Maybe to avoid confusion. All the three papers. Yes, we have a problem here. You can see question number 1b. Find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 and z equal to x square plus y square minus 3 at the point 2 minus 1, 2. Hope you remember this example. I told this is one of the important one. Is it not the same example solved in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think I remember the answer for that. Do you remember the answer? Theta is cos inverse of?
ma'am. Cos
Huh.
inverse 8 by 3,
Huh.
8 by 3 root 21.
21.
Very good, very good. Yeah, this is one of the standard problem. If you remember the answer, that is again one plus point for you. Yes. So the two concepts we covered up now, divergence and divergence, curl, gradient, as well as now angle between the surfaces. Let us take the next part, which is about irrotational. So they have given some problems related to irrotational. Just check with this question number 1c over here. Find the value of ABC such that f bar is axy plus bz cube I plus 3x square minus c minus cz plus 3x square minus y into k is irrotational. Find irrotational. Also find the scalar potential function phi. Is it solved in the class? I don't think so. Is it solved?
No, ma'am.
Check it.
No, ma'am.
No, I guess because no, whenever we
No,
have
ma'am.
solved, usually how we have solved it is like ABC are in different three brackets, if I remember it exactly. Okay, so let us solve for question number 1c now. Okay, just write f bar, main important, write f bar correctly. Write it and then you can help me when I am writing, okay, on the board. Written. Let us not waste much of the time. We need to cover up maximum. Okay, yeah. What is f bar given? Ax
Y
y plus
plus
BZ cube.
second bracket, I don't remember anything.
3x square
3x square
CZ.
minus CZ.
Third. Coefficient of k.
3x z square.
3x z square minus
Y.
y into k. Yeah, this is my f. What they have given that this field is what? Solenoidal or irrotational?
Irrotation.
Irrotational. So this given f is irrotational. So if irrotational, then what you have the condition?
Curl of F is 0.
Yeah, curl is 0. Don't get confused. Solenoidal means divergence is 0. Okay, curl means del cross f is 0 already. What is del cross? I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Am I right? Yes. Let us take now the third row. Tell me the elements. Axy plus bz cube. If you are feeling bored that I'm only solving, you can tell me. I'm ready. I'll take a rest today. Only will discuss the answer. Provided you should be 100% prepared. Okay, let us take now. Plus, minus, plus. Leave the row and the column. I into bracket. What is the derivative of this quantity with respect to y?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. This with respect to z.
Minus 1. Minus
C.
C, ma'am.
Minus c. Minus c.
Plus
Plus
Yeah.
C.
J into. Leave the row and the column. Derivative of this with respect to x. X.
3z square.
3z square. Minus. This with respect to z.
Ma'am, 3z square, ma'am.
Sorry. 3z square. I wrote 6, no? Yeah. Tell me with respect to z, what about this?
3bz square.
Yes, 3bz square. Then k into. Leave the row and the column. What about this?
6x. 6x.
6x.
6x minus. With respect to y here.
Ax.
8 equal to 0. So how to write 0i plus 0j plus 0k? So this bracket is 0 means 1 minus 1 plus c is 0 means what is c?
C equal to 1.
1. Very good.
Equal to 1.
Here you will get 3z square as common. You will get 1 minus b is 0 means what is b? 1, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do check, huh? I'm writing little direct steps. This equal to 0 means a equal to
yes, ma'am.
6.
6.
Okay, done. Next, we have to find the scalar potential. Will you find it? Del phi is equal to vector f. So this will give me dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj. Am I right? This is a scalar potential. We need to find phi with the use of the condition del phi is equal to f. Dou phi by dou z k is equal to. Now while writing f, you substitute ABC values and write. Huh? Yeah, a is 6. 6xy plus b is 1. 3z square minus c is 1. 3xz square minus y into k. Yeah. Let's see. Two vectors are equal means what can we do? What is the next step? Equate corresponding ijk coefficients, isn't it? Dou phi by dou x is equal to the I coefficient 6xy plus z cube. Integrate it. Do you remember the procedure of this finding phi? After equating, you should integrate, no? Integrate with respect to what here?
With
X.
X. So what you'll get? Phi equal to. Tell me the integration of this with respect to x.
6x square y by 2.
6x square by 2.
Plus
xz cube.
Z cube into
plus
Plus f1 y comma z.
f1 of y comma z.
yes. Similarly, next coefficient of j if you equate. This is 3z square minus z. Correct? So what will be phi then?
3yz square
Yeah, 3 yz square minus yz.
minus zy
Plus
plus f of x comma z.
very good. What is the third one? Coefficient of k. This
With
k you
respect to
equate.
z.
3xz square minus y. Integrate with respect to z. So phi is 3x.
3x
Z means
z cube by
z
3.
cube by 3. Y is constant. You will get a z. Add a function of other two. Correct? Yeah. You are integrating with respect to z means add a function of the other two variables. Okay, just see this is 2 1s are 2 3s are. This 3 will go. Huh? Yes, now you can observe. All we have 3 terms. Okay, all the terms are means the number of terms in all the 5 is 3 means no need to take any function as 0. This is first thing. Now you can see a function of yz which is not there here but which is present in the other two. What is that? Which is function yz.
Minus
Very clear, minus yz. Similarly, function of xz not present here but present in the next two. Which is
xz
that
cube.
term? Yeah, it
xz
is z cube x or xz cube. What is f3? Function
x
of
square
x.
y.
Yeah,
3x square y.
3x square y. Where we missed it, but here. I think
Ma'am,
so.
3x square y is very
1 second. This in the question paper there is a mistake. See, I'll try to rectify it. This should be 3x square. Is it going to affect your ABC values? Okay, I wrote wrong, I guess. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come I took here. Okay, I have written wrong. 3x square only it is. So this is second, right? 3x square. Please correct it. Yeah, is it 3x square? Yes. Now tell me final expression for 5. Substitute in any one, any one. 3x square y plus xz cube minus yz. Am I right? I'm taking in equation 1, nothing much. Only the terms number will be rearranged. That's all. If you take the next two, that's all. Same terms. Did you recall now? What is this concept of irrotational and finding a scalar potential? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let us go to now the next part. This is done. This question, if you just see. Yeah. This is again. I think this problem is done. A is some 6 and B is 3, I guess. This question number 1C is solved in the class. Not to worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Not to worry. What about this? This you can take it as homework. Will you take it? Question number 1C you take. Because no, in all the brackets you have only A. But not to worry, when you go for curl, no, you will get that A appearing in only one bracket. That is coefficient of K. That you can observe. Okay. Write this question for homework. F bar is AXY minus Z cube I plus A minus 2 into X square J. Outside you have a some variables. Take care. Plus 1 minus A into XZ square K. Is it rotational? Then find A. That is a question. And hence find the scalar potential function phi such that F equal to del phi. Will you tell me the answer of this in the next class? Because I want to start with the next concept. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So vector differentiation part we have recalled it. I think so. Some they have not asked any example on directional derivative and all directly. But this angle between the surfaces, what you have taken, no, that is a part of directional derivative only. Yes. Let us take in the same question paper only. I'll take the next part. Let's see here. Question number 2A. If f equal to 3x square minus 6yi minus 14yzj plus 20x square k, evaluate integration f dot dr from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve given by x equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube. Is this example solved? If you have notes, you can just check.
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
No, ma'am.
No means good. So that you can try and tell me the answer. Yeah, just write the question. Write the important parts. Right. F equal to 3x square plus 6yi minus 14yzj plus 20xz square k. Evaluate f dot dr. So about this point you can write directly because now here they have given. Now this what are these? X equal to t and all, they are called as parametric, right? Equations. Write it. X equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube. Can you tell me how t is varying from?
Zero to 1.
0 to 1. Yes. Take it and just solve. Okay, f bar is given as what it is? What is that?
3x square
X square plus
6y
6y I minus
I-
14yz.
One second. Tell me.
3x square plus 6yi
Huh.
minus 14yzj plus 20
20.
xz square k.
Yes. Just check whether I have written anything wrong. Okay. So f is this. Let us, know what is line integral. How to calculate. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the procedure? This is by definition. F dot dr over c. How to take? Tell me fast.
F dot dr by
Limits
dt
of t.
Yeah. F dot dr by dt into dt. Then
multiplied
t varies
dt.
from a to b. Correct? This is how we need to convert it. So now make use of the values of t given. Okay, sorry, x, y, z values given in terms of t. So this is actually 3x is t given, right? So 3t square plus y is also given as t square. This is like 3t square plus 6t square is how much? If I substitute the parametric. 3 plus 6.
8 3
9
square.
Arey baba, 3 plus 6. How come 8? Okay, 9t square minus 14 into y is t square, z is t cube. T square into t cube. T raised to
5.
6.
5. Okay. Next, 20 x into t cube. T raised to
7
7.
okay, z square. No, yes. T raised to 7. Yes, you are right. Now let us simplify this. Okay, keep this as it is. Now we are aware. So if we have got, we are interested in getting dr by dt. Tell me what is our standard format?
xi plus yj plus zk.
Yes, xi plus yj plus zk. Substitute now. This is r is ti plus t square j plus t cube k. Am I right? What is the derivative with respect to t? First.
2tj
Plus
Plus?
2t.
plus 3t square
3t
k.
square k.
Yes, good. Okay. So after this, what we have to do? Yeah, substitute. Now here, when you substitute, you have to take the dot product, isn't it? I'll take the dot product only and take directly. T varies from 0 to 1, which is clear. Yeah. 9t square into 1. 9t square. Correct? Coefficient of j multiply. Minus 14t raised to 5 into 2t is how much? 14 2s are 28. T
28
raised to
t raised to
3 t raised to 6.
6. Okay. Now corresponding k coefficients. 20 into 3. 60, right?
Plus 60 t raised to 9.
to 9.
Yeah. Now integrate with respect to t. This is t is varying from 0 to, okay, now let us integrate only. Now substitute. Now 9 into t square means,
t cube by
T raised
very
to
good.
3 by
T raised to 6
t
means,
raised to 7 by 7.
yes, 60. T raised to 10 by,
10 by 10.
t varies from 0 to 1. So 3 ones are 3 3s are
3 3 is 7
Seven.
1
4s are
Answer.
10 1 10 6.
Okay. Now substitute the upper limit. Upper limit is 1. Lower limit 0
3
means it becomes
minus
0. 3
3 minus 4 minus
4 plus
plus 6
answer.
5.
5.
5.
5 is the answer. Yes, correct. So this is how we have to calculate the line integral. Okay. I think so some 5 minutes are there. Let me just try to cover maximum. Okay. In this, I think I have solved the Green's theorem area between the parabolas in your class. I think I have not solved a problem on flux across S in your class. Do you remember it?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
with
ma'am.
one division I have solved. I have not solved this, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Not solved. Okay. No, what you are saying is not solved.
Not
Oh, okay, okay, yeah. Then write this question number 2C, 2C. Because the other all have covered maximum. This I left, I guess. If F bar is equal to 2xyi plus yz square j plus xzk, and S is the rectangular parallelepiped bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, and x equal to 2, y equal to 1, z equal to 3. Z equal to 3. Okay, they have not asked anything. They are okay, like a line integral and all. The question is find the flux across S. How flux across S is given?
Over the surface.
means divergence.
Huh? Yeah, we have to
Surface
use divergence
divergence
theorem
theorem.
only. Yeah, flux across S. So this is nothing but F dot ds only over S. Okay, and we are aware how to take it by divergence theorem. F converts to what? Divergence
Volume.
theorem. Divergence of
Volume.
F and ds converts to a volume. Am I right?
Ma'am.
Yeah. So let us find divergence of F. I'll give you 1 minute. Tell me divergence of F. Calculate and tell fast.
Ma'am, it is solved, ma'am.
Solved in your class, huh? Now I've left in one of the division. I don't remember exact. Flux is solved. Maybe the last example. Just see.
Yes, ma'am. Last exam.
Solved, huh? What is the answer?
30.
30. Yes. Others just check because in the video what I sent, no, it was recorded.
Yes, ma'am, it's solved already.
Already solved. Okay, then not to worry. Okay, let us complete some of the parts. How somehow we have started it. I think this is the divergence, right?
30.
Huh? So x is varying from 0 to 2, y is varying from 0 to 1, z is varying from 0 to 3. Take it like this, x plus 2y plus z square dz dy dx. So if you just do the triple integration and substitute the limit, the answer is going to be 30. Good. Yeah, let us try to take another. Okay, this example question paper completed, not to worry. Here, yeah, this is similar to one of the example just now solved. Only thing F is different here. Will you be able to solve it? Write down this
Yes,
question number
ma'am.
2A. Yeah. Question number 2A. F bar is equal to xyi plus yzj plus zxk. Evaluate F dot C dr. F dot dr over C, where C is x equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube, minus 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. Okay, just to see this question. Let's see this question number 2b, Stokes theorem. I think I have solved this example. The question answer will get it as some minus 2ab square. This example is solved in the class. So Stokes theorem means what? Your vector converts to what? Stokes theorem, curl, right? Curl of f. Yeah, just check with
This one is not solved now.
which
2b.
question number 2b.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it is solved. I remember.
No, ma'am.
Not solved. Huh? Okay. Let us take it then. See whether the chat box is enabled or disabled, what it is.
It's enabled, ma'am.
Okay. You can put your number. Not to worry.
Ma'am, this
Okay.
example is solved, but the signs are different.
The
Signs are different. Here x square minus y square plus 2xy fr.
x square plus y square I minus 2xyj is different. Only vector field is different.
Yes, ma'am.
What we have solved then with
X square minus y square I plus 2xyj.
2xy.
okay. This plus and minus are different there.
Plus or minus are only
Ha,
same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and one more thing here you can observe. I think so. Curl is going to be same for both the functions. Huh? So you can take it this for homework. See, this is minus and this is plus. What I have taken, take it, and I think so. You are going to get curl as same. If curl is same and the limits are same, I think the answer will be same. Will you take it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I actually want to tell about this question number 2c. Just in 2 minutes, we'll just discuss. See, using divergence theorem, evaluate double integration f dot n dot ds over s. If f equal to taken around these limits. You remember, just check in divergence theorem, such example is solved. I think I gave it for homework part. Is it given as homework? Just check. Only thing, no. There, I had the limits as 0 to a, 0 to b, and 0 to c. Else, this is one of the simple example, need not to worry because this is divergence theorem. Just now we have recalled our divergence theorem. It converts to divergence of f. Find it. Limits are clearly given as all x, y, z are varying from 0 to 1. You can easily evaluate. I'll tell you the answer for that. Answer for 2c, you will get it as 3. Just do write it. Question number 2c, answer will get it as 3. Try to simplify. It is simple because the limits are directly given. Okay. Yes, to just another 1 minute, I think I'll take. Yeah, just see here. Question number 2c here. See, both question number 2c in this question paper and the previous one, both are same. Only here the upper limit are ABC. Not to worry. There it is 1, 1, 1. So I think the answer for this is ABC into bracket A plus B plus C, if I'm not wrong. The answer for this question number 2c is ABC into bracket A plus B plus C. Better you write both. If solved or not solved, for a practice, you can take it and solve it. And I think I have not taken only one concept that is being left out. See, work done is similar. You are aware, work done is similar to which concept?
Line integral.
Line integral, not to worry. This Green's theorem I have did not take, but Green's theorem maximum questions are being solved in the class and the concept is clear as I guess. So I have tried to cover maximum questions. Just go through the papers, previous ones, take book and try to solve. Become more perfect, that's all. So in my next class, I'll just continue with the differential equations. See, the strength is reduced